How to rename a picture album in Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the Gallery app. Next, in here at the bottom, tap on Albums tab. Then touch and hold on the albums that you would like to rename. Next, tap on the More button. Then tap on Rename. And now you can rename it. And then tap on the Rename button. Okay, so we have now renamed the Pictures album to IT Jingles 2025. And that is how you can rename your Pictures album in Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.